Use Coop. You're connected to real business owners looking to share their vehicles. Whether you're looking for your next rental vehicle or interested in generating extra cash from your idle trucks, Coop connects you to the right people. Coop's mission is to make trucks easy to share. Our platform allows you to easily list your vehicles and generate extra cash by renting them to trusted businesses. All users on Coop are rated and vetted to ensure your experience is safe and secure. Each transaction is covered with a $1 million liability policy and 24/7 roadside assistance, so you can trust that your vehicles are in good hands. With Coop, you are in control. Manage your fleet, look for the vehicle you need to rent anywhere, anytime, manage your reservations, and review your earnings and previous payments, all at your fingertips. Coop is one of the fastest growing suppliers of rental vehicles. Whether you need a substitute vehicle or want to rent your unutilized truck during a slow season, getting started with Coop is the easy way to keep your business moving. Once a local business finds the vehicle they're looking for, they'll submit a reservation request. The vehicle owner will approve and send the borrower pickup instructions. It's that simple. With Coop, there's no paperwork and no waiting in line at the rental counter for pickup. Use your mobile device to take a few pictures of the vehicle, and you're on your way. Using Coop means helping another local business. It's a great way to support your business community while fulfilling your transportation needs. Coop, making trucks easy to share.